That is crazy. They're doing something. We'll be able to watch it on the video.
They're all the same color, too.
Yeah, they're all the same species. I mean, I could see their long legs. I've never seen a butterfly stop like that. Especially that many together.
Yeah.
That's too nuts, man. Wow.
Wow, there had to be fucking 10 of them.
There's still a couple there.
I've heard they were.
They're mating. They're definitely mating or something.
If you look up online, there's they go by county.
This part's not bad at all this year. I see it more at night on the farm when I go.